Hey there, nail art enthusiasts. Welcome to Nail Paint 101, where we make nail painting easy and fun for beginners. Ready to master nail painting in just 3 minutes? Awesome! Let's dive right in and get those nails looking fabulous. First things first, start with clean nails. This is crucial for a smooth and long-lasting manicure. Remove any old polish and wash your hands thoroughly. This step ensures that your nails are free from oils and dirt. This gives you a fresh canvas to work on. Dry your hands well to avoid any moisture that can affect the polish. Next up, grab a good base coat. This is an essential step that many beginners overlook. It's like a primer for your nails. It helps the polish adhere better and prevents staining. Apply a thin layer and let it dry. Make sure to cover the entire nail surface. This step protects your nails and helps the polish stick better. Be patient and let it dry completely. Now for the fun part. Color. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Choose your favorite nail polish. Whether you prefer bold colors or subtle shades, the choice is yours. Give the bottle a good shake to mix the formula. This ensures an even application. When you're ready, start with a thin layer of polish. This helps to avoid streaks and bubbles. Begin in the center of your nail, then swipe to the sides. Less is more here. A thin layer dries faster and looks smoother. You can always add another coat if needed. This builds up the color and gives a more professional finish. Time for a second coat. This makes the color pop and ensures an even finish. Don't rush this step. This makes the color pop and ensures an even finish. Again, keep it thin and let it dry completely. Patience is key. Almost there. Again, keep it thin and let it dry completely. Patience is key. Almost there. You don't want to smudge your hard work. Add a top coat to seal the deal. This step is crucial for a long-lasting manicure. This gives your nails a glossy finish and helps your manicure last longer. It also adds an extra layer of protection. Plus, it protects against chips. A good top coat can make your manicure last for days without any damage. Apply it just like the color and let it dry. Make sure to cover the edges of your nails to seal in the color. Quick tip: clean up any mistakes with a small brush dipped in nail polish remover. This helps to achieve a salon-quality finish. It's all about those crisp lines. And voila! You've got yourself a gorgeous set of nails. You've got yourself a gorgeous set of nails. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and designs. Nail art is all about expressing yourself. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more nail art tips. Happy painting! And remember, your nails are your